Okay, that's the video. We're done.
Okay. Got
Well, tell them first. This is the second downpipe you bought.
bought a Titan Motorsports Catless, and then realized that I'd have to deal with the check engine. So then I found this one before I got to put the downpipe on, which is the Armytrix Catless downpipe, and it's the guy before me. It's used, but no issues with the check engine or anything. And if you do, apparently, if you email them, they will send you a new one. I've heard, but this is gonna go on the car.
It's got a fake cat in it. I showed him. You can see that little bump out.
It's like a O2 extender basically, and it's got like a little bit of like that iron wool from like a cat in there. It's hard to see, but
you can kind of see it.
It's in there.
Looks like a Brillo head.
Yeah, so that's in there. And then on the car, we have the MS2 V2 intake going on. So we have the turbo inlet that went on. This is the clip that always breaks. It's the breather hose that goes, it's a short little hose, but it's a real pain to get this off. You have to squeeze the sides. It doesn't want to ever squeeze off. You read it in the forums, they all break them. So just to be aware of that. But we have to wait to finish the intake install to do the downpipe, so we have all this room to work over here, and then we'll finish the intake.
So we're gonna document the process of doing the downpipe. Dad, you were under there and you saw the under tray. Supposedly Nick watched videos and said that
This is the
people don't take the trays off. That's what.
Yeah.
You're able to get there or no? Down there.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
I was worried about that piece.
What size?
It's a 13 on this,
mil.
on the clamp, on the V-band.
I think
So,
one is a 13 and a 14.
V-band clamp is not off,
That's
but
the-
loose. So
You got to get it loose enough so you could basically just, you're going to slide it back over this, and it's going to sit on the OEM downpipe, so when you're wiggling it off, it'll just sit on there and kind of come out with it.
Otis.
Yeah, it's like Otis.
Pull back on this exhaust somehow. There it is. Yeah, I'll put it this way.
Take it out the front. Ocean sensor. The flex pipe was actually bending.
Yeah, well, it's supposed to.
See?
ah, that's nice. Yeah, well, it helps.
We gotta take that gasket out.
See how
put the
much-
new one in.
Yeah, it's big. Probably the whole width of the whole thing almost. Maybe not. Could be. I don't know.
What?
The whole cat is like this.
Probably $800
Yeah.
bucks.
They
Can't tell it.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing in my car. Hopefully it works
Oh, yeah?
with that thing.
Water?
Mhm.
Shit, I don't know if I can do it. Oh, can't do it. One hand, you can't do it. You got one handed? Oh.
I got a couple of these.
How many sodas do you have a day usually?
8 to 12.
It's light.
Alright, so
Tighten down the top. We tighten this clamp down up here. Tighten the clamp down there.
Well, is the hanger lined up back there?
yeah,
So then it's in.
She is. Just gotta button up the connectors.
right?
And then the intake.
Because it.
Oh, yeah, put this in here, I think.
Yeah, the back one went in that clip.
Yeah.
Almost let go of the camera.
You hear it? The intake?
Yeah, I hear the intake. Camera probably can't pick it up, but it sounds like it's like constantly almost whistling, like, especially on the wind down. Yeah, it's loud. Pops are much more defined.
Yeah.